45164 signing off. Guys, woo, my friend. You know I'm gonna get. At sila ay nagsipag-resign na, guys. Ito siya. Kaway. Bye, my friend. Ano masasabi mo? Tell something to your colleague, this Emma. Emma to. What?
I miss Emma.
You miss Emma?
Hey. Because Emma is a good
how about sad?
Sad? Keep up the good work.
Keep up the good work.
You know I'm gonna get
German.
Just stay there.
Just stay there. Pinapuwi na asawa.
Don't go Philippines. And the driver.
For our driver. Crying. Our driver crying. Well, like this.
And the driver.
For our good driver, number one. For our number one driver.
Zebra.
Give me. Beer, Masud beer.
Alright guys, nandito tayo sa saan ba itong lugar na to? Etihad Mall tayo, yan. Etihad Mall. Going to Rashidia na, guys. So this is the last trip of our friend 45164 Karen Sikat. Yan. Hi. Say hi. Say bye.
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 Friends there that give me stress. Especially you. You know you.
Maganda? Sino maganda? Mas maganda? This one maganda? Outside? Me pogi ah? You speak Tagalog ah?
Ako ay pan.
No, pogi also pogi. No, say. Guapo, same this one nose. You see pointed nose. Me? No. No, good. Good also, good.
Behavior. Okay. People only space good, no also good.
No, you good also. Face good. This one also good. All good.
You know I'm gonna get
Hoy, bye dyan ah.
Ito na yung accommodation namin, guys.
You only do love your food.
Yeah.
Sometimes
So, alright guys, nandito na tayo sa accommodation, guys. So, tapusin na natin ang pag-vlog natin sa isang hi ng ating kaibigan, sa isang bye-bye. Hi and goodbye daw. Hi and goodbye. Thank you guys.